In this video I am trying to work out which lens is best for me and my Panasonic G9 camera. The two lenses I am going to compare are the Lumix 14-140 and the Lumix 45-175. I will also be using the extra teleconversion feature on the G9, which basically is a 1.4 crop in 4K video mode. This will convert the 140mm to 196mm and the 175mm to 245mm. I will also use a 2x digital zoom in DaVinci Resolve from time to time. I am testing these lenses in real-world conditions, the way I would normally use them, and I'll be using my Panasonic G9 in 4K mode and also using the 1.4 crop mode from time to time. Here we have both lenses at 140mm. And now with a 2x digital zoom, clearly the 45-175mm is a sharper lens. Now both lenses at 196mm, and here we have both lenses at 140mm again. But with a 2x digital zoom we can clearly see the 45-175mm is a sharper lens. Here we have both lenses at 140mm. You may notice that the 14-140mm renders a slightly warmer image. Even with 2x digital zoom, it is almost impossible to tell which one is sharper. Here we can see the main advantage of the 45-175mm lens. In 1.4 crop mode, it gives me 245mm really zooming in close to the subject. In this test we are going to compare lenses to see how close we can get to the subject, starting at 140mm, now 196mm using the 1.4 crop, and finally 245mm, which is 175mm with the 1.4 crop. Now we will zoom from 45 to 175mm using the power zoom feature. Notice how the lens holds focus throughout. Let's take another look at that power zoom function on the 45 to 175mm lens. The 14 to 140mm has a lot more versatility, zooming in from the widest 14mm all the way into 140mm, which is huge. Unfortunately, the zooming is uneven and we also lose focus at times. As you can see, both of these lenses are excellent. It all depends on what you need most. The versatility of going from 14mm all the way to 140mm, or if you need that extra bit of zoom to get in closer, or the power zoom function for filming. I usually walk around my Lumix 12-60mm lens on my Panasonic G9. When I see something like a bird or a duck or a kangaroo in the distance, I'll change to the very light and small 45 to 175mm, which is usually just in my pocket, and usually I put it straight into 1.4 crop mode.